Hi guys, today I'll be telling you how to make clay bronze heads. This is mainly for beginners. Stage 1. So let's get straight to business. Grab your clay and make it into a huge ball. It doesn't need to be very round. Now split it into 2 pieces and start to form 2 balls. Do not put the 2 balls back together. Stage 2. We are now creating 2 small bowls called pinch pots. What you need to do is get your thumb into the middle of the ball and, as the name suggests, pinch your thumb and finger together. This will start to create your 2 small pots. Now you need to scratch the rim of both pots. However, one pot must be wetted around the rim and made to feel tacky in a way. Stage 3. Place the 2 pots together so it looks like a whole egg. Now start to shape it a bit more like an egg shape. I'd recommend to use a block of wood to shape it. There should be a spare little piece of clay, so go ahead and roll it into another ball. However, this time you must push your little old thumb through the ball and pinch to make a donut shape. Just try not to eat it. The donut shall be the neck. Stage 4. The egg shape will be the head, and of course a head needs a neck, so grab your head and push it onto your donut neck. Your head's base will most likely be itchy, so give your clay head a little scratch. And while you're at it, itch the top of the neck as well. The neck needs to be wetted to make it sticky to blend the outside of the neck and head together. Stage 5. Now, gently turn your head and neck upside down. Wait, stop! Not your actual head! I meant your clay head! Anyway, use a modelling tool to make an incision in the clay head all the way to the neck to blend the inside of the neck and head together to be more secure. Stage 6. Go wild and add your own unique patterns to the head along with facial features. Thanks for watching. I hope this has helped you to create your clay bronze head. Bye! The egg shape will be the head, and of course a head needs a neck, so grab your head and push it onto. Nala, please stop licking my face. This is like the 4th time I have to redo my recording. I'd recommend to use a block of wood to shape it. There should be spare little I was choking on my spit.